Scales. Every pianist practices them, but not everyone knows how to get the most from them. They're not just finger drills. They're the blueprint of control, tone, dexterity, and musical intelligence. Let's unlock the deeper art of practicing scales. Don't fall into the trap of equating fast with good. A sloppy scale at high speed is a waste of time. Instead, start slowly, focusing on evenness of tone, clean finger transitions, and relaxed movement. Think also whether you would actually enjoy listening to your scale. Does it sound beautiful enough? Use dotted rhythms, long, short, short, or other variations. This isolates and strengthens weaker fingers. A scale in rhythms becomes a workout for control, not just speed. Practice softly also, it's harder. It demands control and refined touch. Then play boldly without tension. Your ability to sculpt tone at all volumes begins here. Watch your wrist. Tension there will freeze your whole mechanism. A flexible wrist helps you glide across the keyboard. Try adjusting wrist height slightly. Small changes can unlock big freedom. Practice each hand alone. Don't rush to combine them. Learn the feeling of ease, symmetry, and phrasing in each hand. Then bring them together with balance. Create audio snippets like the scales from your Beethoven, Liszt, or any other composer, and upload the recordings into tools like musicaldna.me. Get feedback on which great pianist your scales resemble. Is it Rubinstein, Horowitz, or Hoffman? Technology won't replace your ear, but it can sharpen your awareness. Scales build your foundation. Make them art. Scales aren't boring unless you make them so. When practiced musically, they become an art form. And every masterpiece starts with a strong foundation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and press the bell button to stay up to date. See you soon, and have an amazing day.